What I really love about Visual Studio Code is that we can actually preview the web page on another tab and it will automatically update. So for example, do file left click onto show preview, and from here here's a web page. If we now add a new tab to it, as you guys can see, it does refresh, and now I can add in a paragraph tab. So tag, and now I can call this one I am Jonathan Stedman, and I study computering at uni. So yes, we can automatically be able to see the web page automatically update, so that way you guys don't have to keep on refreshing the web page. For in case if we do F5, it will not automatically update the web page, but if we do show for preview, then it will automatically update it. So for example, as you can see over here as an example, if I do a new paragraph tag, if I call this one Linux is the best, Linux is the best. If I try to do Control S, as you guys see, it does not update it. We have to refresh it. But from the preview, what you guys can do is that we can click on to show preview, and now we can add a new tag to it, and it should automatically update it without actually saving the document of the web page, as you guys can see. Now, isn't that great? I think this only works for HTML, but this is very useful if you guys need to make a website, and you guys can easily preview it on this new tab, and it will automatically update it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.